Hello, today we show you how you change the side U-tip adapter on a 4mm iris system or I-series scope. First of all, we will show it to you by doing it with your hand. Here we have the side U-tip adapter on the table. So we first unscrew the direct view tip, which protects the two threads on the tip. Then we will use the side U-tip adapter. I will put it on here and I screw it first onto the first thread. Now the side U-tip adapter is loose. What you have to do now, you have to find the right position to get the right image. So you turn it until it locks. If it's locked, you just screw it with the other hand and it's fixed. It's fixed. Now I will put the light on and you see the image. So I will unscrew it just with my fingers over the first thread, over the second thread. I will screw on the direct view tip. That's it.